Welcome to ORSHIN demo presentation. I'm Aleš from Tropic Square and I will describe you how this demo works. We have few parts which consist in the demo, and we have central device, peripheral device. This is necessary to understand because we are using central device as entropy provider for the peripheral device which is running Tetris game. Welcome our GitHub page regarding to Tetris Tropic 01 and Core 5 demo, where I will describe how this demo works in depth. We have peripheral and central device where there is running secure handshake using BB protocol, and then peripheral device asked central device for randomness. Then central device generate two random bytes on Tropic 01 or RISC-V device, and then send it that two random bytes encrypted by a secure channel via BB protocol to the peripheral device. And then on the peripheral device there is generated the brick with defined position and the shape based on this random number. Let's take a look on the elements which are necessary for the demo to be running. We should start with central device, where is located Tropic 01 header, which is connected to this central device via SPI bus. Then we have Core 5 secure element which is running on FPGA, and this board is connected to Raspberry Pi via I2C. On the I2C there is running new secure channel protocol which is part of the ORSHIN project. Then we have peripheral device which is running the Tetris game, and the connection between peripheral device and central device is done by BB protocol, which is a novel Bluetooth protocol with enhanced security. When the peripheral device have a connection from central device, the peripheral device asks for random number from the secure element. Which secure element will be used, you can specify with switches in the starting of central device, and then the game could begin. The random number specify the starting position and shape of each element of this game. The game is running until you will fill up your field or ended up with the random numbers. If you have no randomness, you have no game. Now, let's take a look how this demo works in the wild. At first we need to start peripheral device, which is listening for central device. Then we start central device and we got the game working. So each brick is defined by the random number generated on secure element and transferred via BB protocol. So you can see on the screen the random is changing with each piece of the game, and there are also some debug commands which are showing how our Tropic 01 is working. They are using only to show everything is generated. We have in it the secure session, and also to be sure everything is working. The game lasts till you lose or till you quit the central device. The last piece is generated, and after this game, where there is no space for new randomness, game over, and you have your final score. Thanks for your attention.